What up to the creep, man? Hey, finna put something on you so cold, man. You already know what it is, man. Hit that like button one time for the one time. Yeah, no. Go ahead and hit that like button. You know what? I'm gonna let some people get in here real quick. You feel me? We got a lot of people in here right now, but we need some more people. Hit that like button one time for the motherfucking one time right now. I'm gonna let some more people get in here real quick. You feel me? Hit that like button right now. Hit that like button right now, blood. It's gonna be quick on phone now. It's gonna be quick.
2 drinks on me, 2 drinks 30. She got tricks up her sleeve. New drip, who is me? Yeah, bitch, it is me. Just weed. Hell no, I ain't poppin' on beats. I'm so burnt out. I've been smoking like all damn week. I'm so burnt. That's lame. So you should come and smoke with me. We so high. We tea. My pack got no seats. Told her I don't sell weed, but I got that gas on me. Get you lit, yes indeed. Told her drinks on me. 2 drinks 30. She got tricks up her sleeve. New drip, who is me? Yeah, bitch, it is me. Get it right for my team. Some Mary on me, keep me clean. Stuffing holes in the beam. I got chickens in the beans. Rockstar tatted on my skin. Party ain't started till I get in.
Bitch.
I walk in the club and get lit. I might spend a double on my wrist. And I'm with the gang, let her sing. Yo, bitch, what the hell is intent? I don't think she can fuck with the kid. I've been sipping too much, got me sick. I think I might throw in the car, I'm mine. Just weed. Hell no, I ain't popping on beats. I'm so burnt out. I've been smoking like all damn week. You so burnt. That's lame. So you should come and smoke with me. We so high. We tea. My pack got no seat.
Hey man, what up to the creed, man? Y'all ready for this motherfucking passport shit? I already posted the hey, hold on. I ain't tell you do all that now, blood. I ain't tell you do all that, cuz. But yeah, this the motherfucking copyright notice, you feel me? Basically you just take something like this and put your name where it needs to go, whatever the case is, and then you're gonna take it up to the county recorder, and you gonna what you gonna do? You're gonna take it to the county recorder, and then you're gonna record it as like a public notice, you feel me? Like real stuff. So first, you got to take this actual thing that I typed up, write it up, whatever the case is, fam. Make it your own. Then you're gonna have to take it up to the newspaper, you feel me? So then, and they already gonna know what you say. Like, I wanna put a newspaper publication for a trademark or for a copyright. They already gonna know what you're talking about, and they're gonna be ready for you. And that's it right there. They're gonna send you an affidavit. Every county is different. Some counties you just gotta put it in there 2 days straight, 3 days straight, you feel me? Some counties you gotta put it in there 3 weeks in a row, you feel me? One time, 3 weeks in a row, you feel me? So like every Thursday for 3 weeks, some shit like that, you feel me? Some counties is only 2 weeks. Every county is different depending on your county, you feel me? But as long as you get it recorded up in your county, that's what we looking for right here. So then they're gonna send you an affidavit in the mail, you feel me, with this same exact stuff on it, you feel me? And then you take it up to the county recorder. So yet again, we put the whole county on public notice twice. So there's no excuse for nobody to say, well, we didn't know this or none of that shit. Ain't none of that, you feel me? Because I recorded it with the county too. I recorded it with the fucking county. So there's no excuse. There's no way around that shit. It's in the county. It's there for y'all to see it. You feel me? Real shit, bro. So what we got right here is the motherfucking note right here, bro, on phone and grade. Copyright notice, it ain't nothing, too special, whatever the case is. It's just a common law copyright notice, you feel me? Real shit, because we doing this by the common law way of doing things, you feel me? You know how much I love common law. I don't fuck around with that admiralty maritime shit. I don't fuck around with the public side. I like to keep shit on the private side as much as possible on phone and grade. You feel me? I don't fuck around with all that commercial shit. You feel me? I don't fuck around with all that commercial shit. So, you know, this is a common law way of doing it by putting the community on notice. You feel me? Public notice. You feel me? That's how you do this shit. So right here, I even put it in the motherfucking description so you can copy and paste, but don't just copy and paste because it say John Lucas Doe on this bitch. You feel me? You're gonna look like a fucking fool trying to turn some shit in talking about John Lucas Doe. Real shit. So that's another thing. You got to be detailed about this shit. You can't just be copy and pasting people's shit. You can't just be taking whatever somebody's saying and running with it. You got to go research this shit yourself, dog. You got to go research this shit yourself, dog. You can't just be motherfucking just doing shit just to do it. And Archive, he said they sent me mail for missing court. Nigga, your ass better real life go up to the courthouse tomorrow and get that motherfucking warrant retracted. Real shit. Otherwise, they will come arrest your ass, boy, on phone and grade. But this what it say, man. This constitutes actual and constructive notice of the copyright protections for the trade name, trademark John Lucas Doe. An original expression created on or about March 8th, 1982, with all rights reserved, held by John Lucas Doe for the John Lucas Doe Trust. Hereinafter Trust, domicile in Chicago, because you know we don't never like to say that we is a resident of somewhere or you're residing somewhere. They always try to get you when they use that term. And when they using that term, that means you're temporarily there. You feel me? Real shit. That's when they putting you back into the commercial side of things when they calling you a resident. That's in the commercial side of things. You don't ever want to let anybody call you a fucking resident. You don't want anybody to say that you're residing somewhere. I'm domiciling there. Real shit, bro. So domiciling, Chicago, Illinois, said common law trade name trademark may not be used, printed, duplicated, reproduced, distributed, transmitted, displayed, neither in whole nor in part, nor in any manner whatsoever without the prior express written consent and acknowledgement of the trust, hereinafter secured party. So this right here just covers all that shit. So y'all can't be writing my name on no ticket. You can't be using my name for anything unless I give you permission to use it. And if you do, you're infringing on my fucking copyright. And now I can get on your ass. Real shit. Now let's play the game how the government play the game. You feel me? Let's play how these courts play. Real shit. By their own laws and rules. Let's get them by their own laws and rules. Real shit, bro. So with the intent of being contractually bound, any juristic person, as well as the agent of said juristic person, shall display nor otherwise use in any manner the common law trade name trademark, nor the common law copyright described herein, nor any derivative, variation, and or spelling and printing of John Lucas Doe. So this means if they want to all capitalize your name, all lowercase your name, upper lowercase, you feel me? All this shit, nigga. You want to leave the Lucas out, just put John Doe, or you want to put motherfucking Doe's, comma John Lucas, or you want to put John Lucas, any of that shit. Anytime you try to use any part of this name, bro, included herein nor any, hold on. Yeah, including and not limited to all derivatives, variations in spelling, abbreviating, upper lowercase, rendering and writing of said trade name trademark. Secured party neither assents nor consents nor agrees with nor grants nor implies any authorization for any unauthorized use of trade name trademark, and all unauthorized use is strictly prohibited. Mutual assent imply an express contract executed by the unauthorized use of secured parties common law copyrighted property. By these terms, both the person and the agent of said person engaging in the unauthorized use of copyrighted property, hereinafter jointly referred to as the interloper, does not assent, consent, and agree that any use of the trade name trademark except the authorized use as set above constitutes unauthorized use. So that means, nigga, without your permission, it's unauthorized use, period. If you did not authorize nobody to use it, it's unauthorized fucking use, no way around it. Unauthorized reproduction, copyright infringement, and counterfeiting of secured parties' common law copyrighted property. Is contractually binding upon said third-party interloper. Securing an interest in said interlopers. Oh, that was actually supposed to be a capital right here. Capital I. Said interlopers assets, land, and personal property for equal consideration and not less than $1 million based on the estimated value of secured trade name trademark at the time it is noticed. So that means anybody infringing on this trade name trademark, they're fucking risking their assets, their land, and their personal property. All that shit, cash, bank accounts, they risking that shit, real shit, because I just put the whole public on notice about this shit, and now you infringing on my shit. And when I put the public on notice, nobody objected to my shit. Nobody tried to get me to retract my shit or any of that. Nobody opposed my motherfucking public notice, bro. So therefore it stands. And nobody can oppose it because that's your name. Nobody can tell you that you can't. It's your name, real shit. So can't nobody say, oh, no, that's already my trademark. Oh, no, that's already my copyright. No, bitch, this is my name. Fuck is you talking about? Based on the estimated value of the secured trade name trademark at the time it is noticed, any person claiming an adverse interest, challenging or rebutting the rights of secured party may right to trust and care of 123 Any Place Street, Chicago, Illinois, 60607, non-domestic without the USA. You feel me? Real shit. Without let's exclude all that shit because we not dealing with no legal fictions, which is why I said domiciling in, which is why I said in care of. Look, trust in care of, just like we did with the passport. Remember when we was writing our address on the passport application, we put the in care of, or we put the C/O and then wrote our address. You feel me? Because we're not a fucking resident. And that's another thing. I was even thinking about putting the fucking brackets around the motherfucking around the zip code, just to show that I'm not part of that zip code. I'm not in that zip code. Real shit, bro. I'm not in that zip code at all. I'm on Illinois soil. I'm not in the state of Illinois. I don't rock around with y'all legal fictions, all that fake ass imaginary shit, because all this shit, all these corporations and legal fictions, it's all imaginary. It only exists because our belief in it. Real shit. There really is no state of Illinois, no state of Missouri, no state of Indiana, none of that shit. This is all land, bro. When you cross from Illinois into Indiana or Illinois into Wisconsin, that's a fucking imaginary line there. Real shit. And now they say, oh, we're in the state of Wisconsin now. That's imaginary as fuck. There was no line, or you didn't cross in the shit. The fucking land of Illinois is connected to the fucking land of Wisconsin. And if there wasn't none of this imaginary ass state line shit, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference between Illinois and Wisconsin. You wouldn't be able to tell the difference between Illinois and Indiana. Real shit. When you crossing that state line, you wouldn't know. The land looks the same right here on the state line. The land looks the same right here in Indiana and looks the same right here in Illinois. Same shit. It all coincides. It all goes together. Real shit. So it's just like, man, you gotta fucking change your status, bro. If you ain't change your status, man, I don't know what you fucking doing with your life if you ain't change your status yet. If you still out here a fucking U.S. citizen, bro, I don't know what you doing with your motherfucking life, bro. If your ass still ain't get that passport, bro, I don't know what you doing with your life, bro. If you still ain't copyright your name or get an assumed name or both, any of that, I don't know what you're doing with your life, fam. We need this protection for. We got to stop playing by they corrupted rules, because the rules they playing by is already fraud, already fucked up. Real shit, bro. They already going against their own rules. Real shit. We got to play this shit right, because when you learn the actual law, you can actually be lawful. You ain't breaking no laws, and you actually still being able to be free. Real shit, bro. Because all the shit that they say we do is illegal, it really is not unlawful. It may be illegal, but there's a difference between legal and lawful. All this legal shit is all this bullshit that they came up with, these statutes, these codes, these regulations, these ordinances, all that shit, fam. That's all fucking illegal shit. The law, fam, is the Constitution, bro. Real shit. The law is the law of the land, fam. The whole fucking country, nigga. Real shit, bro. I'm not going by all that. I'm not playing by they fucked up ass rules no more. You can't win that way. I can't win that way. They got us playing a corrupted game. And they got all the cheat codes, all that shit, bro. I can't win like that, fam. I'm finna play my game. Real shit, bro. So it's like, fam, if you ain't out here, fam, learning the laws, learning about traveling instead of driving, you feel me, learning, you know, if you ain't out here learning this shit, if you ain't learning how to challenge jurisdiction, if you ain't learning how to defend yourself in court, if you ain't learning how to defend yourself from these pirates and shit, bro, what is you doing, bro? If you ain't learned, fam, when these motherfuckers pull you over, you should already know how to, you know, what to do. All that shit. When you go to court, you should already know what to do. Real shit, because real shit, they never really have any evidence. Y'all already know how I tell y'all how y'all could beat any court case damn near just off challenging jurisdiction. Another part of challenging jurisdiction is them having to prove that they have jurisdiction over you, and they can never show any evidence. And according to the law, there must be evidence. There has to be evidence. You cannot prosecute me with no fucking evidence, my nigga. So then if you just ask they ass simply, so what evidence do you have that your jurisdiction applies to me? They can never bring any evidence. They'll say, well, the law, well, the code says statute code 519607. Okay, you can't refer to the code as evidence that the code applies to me. That don't make no fucking sense. You need to show me evidence that this applies to me. That just because I was on Illinois soil, that all these codes and regulations that y'all came up with in this legal fiction called the state of Illinois applies to me, bro. Real shit. And they can never do that. Real, you could damn near beat any court case just off that. Real shit, bro. Now I'm dismissing the case because there's no evidence. Period. They have no evidence. Once you challenge jurisdiction, they cannot move forward until they fucking prove jurisdiction on you. Real shit, bro. A lot of motherfuckers don't know that shit, but it's time for us to know that shit. It's time to wake up, because this shit's going on in Canada. This shit's going on in Australia, Europe, all these places, bro. They all under the same fucking rules, bro. It's people fighting this shit all over. It's people fighting this shit in Canada. It's people fighting this shit in the UK. It's people fighting this shit throughout Europe, throughout Australia. It's people fighting this shit, bro. Real shit. People waking up. Motherfuckers are standing up now, bro. It's time to motherfucking stand up, for break down the motherfucking system, bro. Or just be a fucking victim. Just be a fucking weak ass sheep and get the fuck out of our way, bro. Get out the way of a motherfucking lion when I come through, bro. If you want to be a motherfucking sheep, if you want to go with the system, if you want to keep this system running strong, then get the fuck out of my way, you little bitch ass nigga. Real shit, bro. I ain't got no more time for no more of that cooning ass Uncle Tom shit, none of that shit. And even if you ain't so-called Negro, whatever the case is, still, you still a bitch ass motherfucker, bro, because you keeping this system going. You feeding the system. You providing energy to the motherfucking system, nigga, instead of going against this shit, bro. Real shit. I don't want to hear shit, bro. Especially if you ain't doing none of this shit. Motherfuckers got the nerve to be coming at me sideways and shit like, oh, he this and that, he's an agent, this and that, he's an agent. Bitch ass nigga. When the fuck what's agent about any of this shit I'm doing? What's agent is all the shit you doing, my nigga. Your ass an agent for the motherfucking government. You real life working for them, spraying off all this fear and all this shit. I'm real life trying to wake the people up to motherfucking break this shit down, bro. I'm trying to wake I'm trying to wake the people up to end the matrix, bro. Even if I gotta die for that shit, nigga. And I already know, fam, if I had a big enough following, they real life would be coming for me. Real shit, bro. If I had 100,000 motherfucking subscribers on my shit watching right now, if I had 1 million subscribers on my shit right now, they'd really be trying to shut me up, because I'll really be a problem, for I ain't even a problem yet. They ain't even seen none yet. I ain't even said none yet. Real shit, I ain't even said none yet. Stop fucking playing with me, bro. These niggas, folk, I ain't even said nothing yet, which is the crazy part. And everybody like, oh, you taught me so much. Oh, I learned so much for you. I ain't never heard this from nobody else. I ain't said shit yet, nigga. I'm half-assing this shit on some whole shit right now. Real shit, but it's time for me to motherfucking really stand up and really go hard at this shit. Real shit, bro. It's time for me to really go hard at this shit. I ain't even said shit yet, bro. Real shit. Now it's time, though. It's time, though, man. Fuck this shit. I want to see motherfuckers when they getting pulled over, nigga. They got their passport out and they record, nigga. You better never let a motherfucking police pull you over and you don't pull your phone out and record. You better record that shit. Y'all see what the fuck going on around this shit. Y'all see what the fuck going on around here nowadays, bro. You better fucking record every fucking thing. As soon as you see them lights flashing behind your shit, pull your phone out and start recording, nigga. And hand that motherfucking passport to his ass. Don't answer no motherfucking questions, nigga, period. Tell his ass that too. Don't even let your window down all the way. Let it down just enough so you can slip your papers and shit through in your motherfucking passport, bro. Anything else you got to say, I don't answer questions. Real shit. And there's nothing illegal about that. There's nothing illegal about that. And there's nothing unlawful about you not answering questions. They tell you got the right to remain silent. I don't answer questions, period. Not gonna run my shit and come bring me my shit back and I'll be on my way, period. Nigga, I'm not, where you coming from? You don't need to know all that, period. I don't answer questions. Fuck are you talking about? That should be the only thing you gotta say to their ass is I don't answer questions. Real shit, bro. Now, when they come hearing your shit back, you going about your way. He gonna make up an excuse. So I'm gonna just give you a warning today. Once you hand him that passport, he gonna run your shit and they say, do not detain, do not arrest, do not interrogate. Yeah, nigga, now come hand me my shit back, bitch, nigga. I'm gonna just give you a warning today. So slow down, though, or get that license plate fixed. Or nah, bitch, you couldn't do shit anyways, nigga, and you knew you couldn't, nigga. Now move. Fuck is you talking about? On me, fam. We gotta stop playing around with these niggas, bro. We gotta get real about this shit. We gotta be diligent about this shit. We gotta study this shit, bro. On phone them, because that can really protect you. That's there between a lot of shit in your life. This could be the difference between you getting a felony or not, my nigga. And let me go ahead and get this disclaimer again. I'm not a licensed attorney. I'm not a licensed lawyer, and this is not legal advice. This is fucking information, nigga. Real shit. This is not legal advice. This is information. And I can freely spread information as I please on phone and grade, bro. So check it out, bro. We're gonna stop playing around with these niggas. Real shit. Nigga, any of y'all niggas get pulled over, you better have that passport and you do not hand that nigga no driver's license. Hand that nigga your fucking passport on phone and grade, fam. And then I want you to upload that motherfucking video when we see this nigga do the walk of shame and give you your shit back on phone and grade. For we gotta stop playing around with these niggas, bro. Cause they starting to see us rising up. I'm starting to see they see that we rising up, and a lot of motherfuckers, even some cops is coming hip to this shit. Real shit, bro. Cause now they starting to see like, damn, what's going on around here? I ain't never had this happen before. Because what y'all gotta realize, the cops is just as dumb as we was. Real shit. They don't know all this shit. They really think they really doing their job. They really think they doing the right thing. They really think what they doing is totally legal, totally lawful, all that shit. When the whole time what they doing is total fraud and corruption. Real shit, bro. So it's time for everybody to start realizing what the fuck is really going on, bro. I'm tired of this sleep sheep ass shit. And if you a sleep sheep, death to you, my nigga. Real shit. Fucking death to you, because you're useless. Why am I sharing oxygen with you on this motherfucking planet? What the fuck are you doing? You're useless, my nigga. Real shit. Stand for something, my nigga. If you don't stand for something, you're going to fall for anything, my nigga. Stand for something. And if you can't find something to live for, you better find something to die for, my nigga. Real shit. What's your purpose, my nigga? What's your motherfucking purpose, my nigga? What you out here trying to accomplish? What you out here trying to do, my nigga? Real shit. All this fuck shit got to stop, nigga. This is a new era. This is a new age. All that shit gotta stop, my nigga. All that ignorant, oh, it's cool to be stupid shit gotta stop. No, it's not no more, nigga. The bitches is going for the intelligent niggas nowadays. You ain't know? The bitches like the smart niggas nowadays. You ain't know? Rich, ooh, he's smart. And he's street. And bitches love that shit. Fuck are you talking about? Because I go walk around, carry that thing on me, and then know I cook a nigga noodles on phone and grade, for. But at the same time, I'm intelligent as hell, nigga. I'm humble, nigga. All that shit, nigga. I'm all that shit. Fuck is you talking about, nigga? I'm cool, nigga. I like sharing shit with motherfuckers. On phone and play as hell. Fuck is you talking about? I like helping a motherfucker that's down. All that shit, nigga. We gotta, all that old shit, nigga, them old rules we was playing by, that shit gotta stop. It's a new era now. I know the ones that before us, they ain't show us the way. You feel me? Them 80s babies especially, they ain't show us the way. All they showed us was gang banging, slinging drugs, all that shit, bro. But now it's a new era. And now they getting hip. Now they getting in tune too. Real shit. Now they getting with the moon. They starting to see what's really going on too. Real shit. Everybody fucking waking up now. This is the time we've been fucking waiting for. This is what I've been waiting for 10 years, nigga. I've been waiting for this shit for 10 years, nigga. Real shit. Now it's like I'm not the crazy one no more. Now it's like I'm not insane no more. I'm not loony no more. I'm not a conspiracy theorist no more. I'm not none of that shit no more. Now everybody sees the shit too, nigga. I'm not crazy anymore. Real shit, because a sane person that has some logical sense in an insane society looks insane to everybody. Real shit, bro. When you got some real fucking sense and you can see what the fuck going on, fam, you look insane to everybody because this is an insane society. Real shit. You have to be fucking insane to fit in with this shit, bro. But if you got some fucking sense, you look like the loony one. You look like the fucking idiot. You look like the nutty one. Real shit. It's fucking is retarded, my nigga. This shit's retarded, my nigga. On phone and great. Everything's backwards. Everything that's wrong is right. You feel me? And everything that's right is wrong. They didn't flip everything fucking backwards. This shit gotta stop, my nigga. And we gotta be the ones to stop this. Our grandparents didn't do it. Which they didn't have a chance, you feel me? They didn't have the internet. They didn't have all this knowledge flowing freely out here. They didn't even have it. Our grandparents, they didn't even have a fucking chance. Our parents, they dropped the ball. Real shit. It's on us now. And it would be some bitch ass niggas to say, oh no, we just gonna say that for our grandchildren. We're gonna say that for our kids and grandchildren. They'll handle it. They'll figure it out. That's some bitch ass shit, nigga. Stop passing the ball. Real shit. Shoot that shit. Nigga, switch that shit. Dunk that shit. Fuck is you talking about? Handle your job, nigga. Real shit. How long we gonna keep on passing this shit on? How long we gonna keep on passing on these curses and shit? You feel me? These generational curses. How long we gonna pass that shit on, bro? Real shit. What the fuck is wrong with you niggas, bro? Stand the fuck up for something, my nigga. Have a fucking spine, my nigga. Have a backbone, my nigga. Stand for something, my nigga. Real shit, bro. Cause ain't nobody. If we don't do it, ain't nobody else gonna do it. We the golden age. We the golden ones, bro. We the ones that see shit like how can't nobody else see it. Our eyes is wide open. Not our eyes. Our eye is wide open, nigga. Our eye is wide fucking open, nigga. We see it like how can't nobody else fucking see it. It's on us. It's on us, and we better die to get this shit done. We better die to accomplish the mission, nigga. We better be willing to fucking die to get this shit done, nigga. Real shit, bro. What's your fucking purpose, my nigga? Real shit. Why God put you down here if you ain't willing to lay it all on the motherfucking line, bro? Why God put you down here if you ain't willing to lay it all on the fucking line, nigga? Give up the ghost stand, nigga, and go back home, nigga. Real shit, bro. Cause your ass, you a waste of space down here if you really ain't trying to make some shit pop, bro. Real shit. You a waste of space. I shouldn't even be having to motherfucking share oxygen with your ass, nigga. Real shit. And if you supporting this motherfucking Matrix shit and all the shit that come with it, death to you, nigga. Real shit, bro. I don't want to share no fucking oxygen with you, nigga. You wasting my shit, nigga. On phone number. Now I'm finna spark this motherfucking wood, though. And I'm gonna have a damn good night. You feel me? Shout out to everybody that came through this bitch, man. Shout out to the motherfucking Creed, man. Hey, you already know what it is, man. I holla at y'all boys, man. Hope everybody have a good night. Shout out to Taekwon, man. Shout out to One Love. Shout out to Misbehaving. Shout out Gunna. Shout out Dora. Shout out Cooper. Shout out Black Boy. Shout out Dora again, nigga. Shout out Jay Kalen. Shout out Hather. Glock Boy again, nigga. Maddie, nigga. Nah, matter of fact, I ain't gonna hop out on y'all niggas just like that, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and run that track back one more time while I spark my wood, blood. Fuck
I ain't got no seeds.
Hey.
Two drinks on me, 2 drinks dirty. She got checks up her sleeve. New drip, who is he? Yeah, bitch, it is me. Just weed. Hell no, I ain't popping on beats. I'm so burnt out. I've been smoking like all damn week. I'm so burnt. That's lame. So you should come and smoke with me. We so high. We
T. My pack got no seeds.
Put her on so weed, but I got that gas on me. Get you lit, yes indeed. Put the drinks on me, 2 drinks dirty. She got tricks up her sleeve. New drip, who is he? Yeah, bitch, it is me. Get a rack for my jeans.
The song called is Double D's by Young Tory. Double D's.
Rockstar tatted on my skin. Party ain't started till I get in.
Bitch.
I walk in the club and get lit. I might spend a double my rent. And I'm with the gang, let her sing. Little bitch, what the hell, let's pretend. I don't think she can fuck with the kid. I've been sipping some more, got me sick. I think I might throw her in the car.
Hold up.
Just weed.
What you talking about. Pull up.
I'm sober, burnt out. I've been smoking like all damn week. You sober, that's lame. So you should come and smoke with me. We sober, we tea. My guy got no seat.
This nigga just had to ask me that. You do know I was about to hop off here until you asked me that. So everybody think A Glocky because I was real life finna push the end button right now. And this nigga just said that. So now I gotta do it. Now y'all already know I gotta do it now. Y'all better thank that nigga. Y'all better thank that nigga, bro. On phone now. I gotta do it now. I gotta do it now. He said, do I make music? He said, do I make music? Okay, I got it.
Charisma, yeah, charisma, yeah. Shots from my homie out back in the whip. Stand up front, so the back of the whip. The girl got dropped from the crack from the hip. I'm hitting the bitch from the back of the shit. You know what it do? I'm not a groupie nigga, that groupie nigga stick with a whole lot of dudes. All I hang around is a whole lot of crews. What you say is right, got a whole lot of juice. What you say is right, got a whole lot of ooh. I'm not a whole lot of you. Yeah, baby girl, it's a whole lot of truth. Drop that thing, I'ma pop that thing. If you want a boyfriend, I'm not that man. I'm not that saint. I'm not that plain. Nobody ready not to it cause I brought that thing. I'm in, so how's it looking on my end? It's looking bueno, mi amigo. My friend, but friends, I'm overdose. I'd rather overdose on comatose or overload shit that made me older. Though I like the older bitches and the older hoes. I like the younger bitches for their attitude. I like the younger bitches for their gratitude. She said, damn it, King, you a fucking hoe. But I'm still gonna fuck you when I'm mad at you. I got a lot of cheese and a lot of keys. If you hate me, you can suck a lot of these. Ain't nothing problem to a prodigy. I'll turn a millionaire cause I gotta be. You a big fan, yeah, you gotta be. I'ma get bread, I'ma get bread, I'ma get bread cause I gotta eat. I'ma get bread like the lottery. Man, I'm older bitches like it's pottery. Not even from a lot could be hot as me. You think a man's so bitty, not to me. Flashing this host, that's just not to me. I got a nice hole with the drip top, talking ice cold with the ice cold. When the night shows, keep my hair bright. You got nice hoes, tend to sit tight. Knock in with the stunner, butterfuck hole, make a bang like the thunder. Oh damn, yeah, I've been praying for the summer. I'm staying up bright. You ain't in the slum, I'm saying this above me. Now I'm trying to get up with this graduate shit. Kid tears on and shit. I'm walking out through the front of the house. I'm walking in through the back of the crib. I don't know why niggas ain't back in this shit. I'm the king of this shit. I'm the captain of this shit. Come back, talk smack with those lips. Had to smack a nigga in the back of this shit.
Now I'm trying to get over with this graduate chick. She 18 years old and I'm smacking this shit. Her mom walking out through the front of the house. I'm walking in through the back of the crib. I don't know why niggas ain't back in this shit. I'm the king of this shit. I'm the captain of this shit. On phone now. Yes, sir. On phone now. I got you, though. Everybody love this one. Matter of fact, I think I'm finna post one of these songs tonight, though. I think I'm gonna post this one. You just got burned. What you mean, blood? Oh, cause that shit was some fire, though. I ain't even mean to do that to you, blood. I ain't even. How much for a feature, man? Just send me a track with a open thing. If it's a fire, I'll hop on.
I ain't that nigga forever. That nigga don't see no contenders unless they remember. Niggas ain't hitters. I'm spitting December. I'm not a beginner. I'm not a pretender.
Born a winner, camp on losses. And I'm the winner. I'm finna post a real track, bro. I got you. But y'all better run my shit up, though. Y'all better watch my shit every day. On me. My shit better have 1,000 views per day.
What I did for wasn't for y'all. No guard, no shooter, we shooting the guard. I'm feeling like Kobe, no passing the ball, but I am not greedy. That's how niggas fall. Table turn, that bridges burn. Just remain 100 and you earn. Stacking money up till it's ceiling. If it ain't happen, just wait your turn. I'm a humble nigga, won't fumble nigga. We can knuckle up, let's rumble nigga. Got 100 shooters, they don't touch computers. They teach lessons just like a tutor gang.
Creed. Coach put me in the court, now I'm in now. Ain't never been a title really hard to ball, but I know enough to keep I'ma win now. Let's talk about blows, ain't talking about blows. We talking about toes and 10 down. Ain't trying to get married though, but I'm a married go. I'll make a bitch straight spin around. So I bitch when they get in the shit on the main chick, girl, she ain't leaving for shit. Let's go together like cheese and a dip. Other bitch straight tank, she ain't feeding for shit. It's came in this bitch. I'm not the same. Nah, no, I'm rocking. I'm knocking off anything, dropping off plain trees, copping off any bitch. I'm not a lane, and I got a train. Not a director to keep me a cast, like I got a sprain, and I got a bang. I got luck too, and I tell her too, like I got a rain, and I got a stain. Shit on you niggas, then I look down and belittle you niggas. You sweet, you fruity, you skittly, nigga. I tell you bricks, that's a gritty, you nigga. And I got a aim, bitch, when she get me, she thinking I'm risky, like I got an animal, I got a tame. Trying to investigate, trying to domesticate, try to do less of it, I got a name. Saying I'm wet, and they saying I'm drippy, and it's kinda trippy, I'm not no brain. Saying they creep, they throwing them G's, and they blowing them G's, but they not with the game. Look, yeah, I'm clever, I'm puffy, I'm loaded, she fucking me, so I'm not gonna hang. Bitches, she tripping, I know that she rich, but she trying to insist that I'm not gonna change. The enemies I'm spitting ain't got me nauseous, and this is the cost, but I'm not gonna faint. Screwing the weather and doing the sweater, I'm doing it better, who's not gonna hate? Sleeping, I'm dreaming, they seeing, I'm beating, they knocking my hustle, they knocking my plate. I'm rocking, she sobbing, and I'm gonna pop in the face, and I pop in the face. Bitches be talking, and this is too often, the niggas be talking, but not in my face. I'm number one, and record see it, but I see it too clear, y'all not my place. Creed. Oh, bass, bitch. Yeah, well, I gotta drop that on phone now. I gotta drop that. But man, bro, I ain't got the following that I want right now, bro. To be honest with y'all, I just don't got the following that I want. To be honest, I don't even got the following I deserve right now. Do you know, fam? They been shadow banning me since shadow banning me type shit. You feel me? These motherfuckers don't want me in that algorithm. You feel me? Because they know it's a wrap. Once I take off, I'm taking off because I know I'm so authentic, bro. I'm so authentic about everything, like real shit. I'm just so real, like raw, like real shit, bro. Like I'm just so authentic with shit, folks. If I blew up on YouTube, bro, are you fucking serious, nigga? This shit is too much for YouTube, bro. I don't think y'all fucking understand. This shit is too much for YouTube, bro. Yeah, I was already thinking about making a new video. I mean, making a new channel and shit, but it's just like, y'all know how hard I worked on this bitch, bro. On Phone and Grade, fam. But that's probably the only way. I already really knew, like, that's the only way my shit really gonna probably take off. I gotta make a new channel because they shadow banned this bitch, bro. They deleted my last channel for I had like 300K, bro, on Phone and Grade. They deleted my shit for off some smoking weed shit when that motherfucking Logan Paul did that Suicide Forest shit type shit, whatever. He did that shit, and then next thing you know, everybody get their shit deleted and shit. Like, for what type of shit, bro? On Phone and Grade. These motherfuckers don't see, but when I was on some ignorant shit, when I was just smoking blunts and on my videos and shit, and smoking weed, my page take off. You feel me? Like, okay. But now when I really come on some real shit, I'm trying to drop some knowledge with it, all type of shit. Now my shit, folk, they shadow banning me and shit, bro. Like, folk, it's motherfuckers with way less subscribers than me. Y'all see how many subscribers I got? It's motherfuckers with like 2,000 subscribers, and on all their videos, they still get like, nigga, 2,000 views and shit like that. Like what the fuck, bro? That shit don't make no sense. It be niggas with like, nigga, 3,000-4,000 subscribers and they getting like 2,000-3,000 views on every video. Like, what type of shit? Like, bro, that shit don't make no motherfucking sense to me, my nigga. On Phone and Grade, on me, shit don't make sense, bro. They blame me, fam. On Phone and Grade. But yeah, though, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna play one more and hop up off of here, bro. Play one. Now I'm gonna play two more. I'm gonna play two more. That's what I'm gonna do. Damn, I forgot my shit. Fucked up. Yeah. First Off, I stepped out the crib, hands on the Mac, yeah, I'm handling that. Hand me some grass if you hand me some mess, and I'm handing it back, cause I want me some cushy that damage your crap. And I'm damaging that test, blemish the ash. It's you, boy, yeah, Creed. I'm all that I want and all that I need. All of the all of my reading, I'm thinking that rotates. All that I breathe, all that I can wait, all that I live, I want all of the free tight shit. Like a nice stick, I'm put up when it's daytime. It's over when the night hit and everybody know me. Everybody know me, I promise. When I'm shining out to everybody know me, I'm saying. Anyone think I'm playing? Anyone like I'm spraying? I'm 20 bumps, think I'm slaying. Any coming, I'm caking. I know you niggas be faking. I know you niggas can't take me. I know you niggas be hating. Probably hate on this statement. I'm rocking niggas like cavemen, shaking the roof to the basement, aching, just trying to find placement. You placing second play aching. I'm just a star on me, 6-pointed star on me, bars on me. I'll take fuck a crib and live in cars on me, scars on me. Take it with me till they put the tarp on me. I'm so fucking dark on me, I'm so fucking sharp on me. I just take a look and say cut it and rip apart on me. I'm part lonely, but I never break me. I got heart only. Ladies asking me if they can get one more than 6 digits. Big pimpin', and I will say some names, but I be big trippin'. Niggas always tell me what they want to do, then again we can get it in if you want to smack. Ain't nobody tell me nothing, don't tell me something, tell me do what I'm gonna do yet. If I was any more wiser, then I'd probably rise to the sky on a rise up or a rise to high spots with the sky touch. Gotta get a slice of the pie and get pied up. Repo 145, get fired up. You follow more, that's live, you a liar. I be pulling strings and the pliers, supply it. High to the seller, buy to the buyer. Hold on, I got a motherfucker. He said, bro, I don't know why I'm such an introvert. And when on the game with my friends, I'm quiet most of the time. How can I fix that? You is who you is, bro. I mean, it's shit that you supposed to tweak and shit to make yourself better and improve your shit. And I mean improve yourself. But you is who you is. If you just an introvert or whatever the case is, that's what come natural to you type shit. But I don't see why you would care about on a video game. Now out here in real life, I could really understand it. And how can you fix that? You know how you fix that? Do you know how you fix that? Do you really want to know how you fix that? You gotta do what you fear the most, my nigga. That's how the fuck you fix that. On phone them great. Yo ass, all right, so you don't even like talking, you quiet most of the time, this and that, this and that, this and that. So guess what happens? When you out here in the crowd and shit, you probably quiet, tucked away somewhere. You feel me? And guess what? Nobody's even probably looking your way or whatever the case is, because they usually looking at the motherfuckers that's, really they real animated. You feel me? They talking a lot. And they motherfucking interacting with a lot of people, everybody and shit, this and that, this and that. They real animated and shit like that. So nobody even looking your way. They probably don't even know you exist. You feel me? But at the same time, you could use that as a benefit. You feel me? Like real shit. Because at first I was one of those real animated motherfuckers. But then when I motherfucking like start smoking weed and shit like that, bro, like nigga, I got secluded as fuck. Like, and I became one of the quiet motherfuckers. Like I didn't talk like that. Like I wasn't really interacting with people like how I used to do, bro. Like I stayed to myself type shit, like real shit, bro. So I kind of had the advantage though, because it's like, if you know how to use that shit, bro, you could really actually be better than all the motherfuckers that's the rah and shit like that. You feel me? Like real shit, bro. But you gonna have to start speaking up though. Like you ain't gotta do all type of talking and all that shit, bro. But you gonna have to go start speaking to motherfuckers, bro. And it might be awkward as fuck at first, fam. But shit, that's what you gotta do, real shit. Like, I know you saying you introvert and shit, and a lot of times when people ask me this shit and when they quiet and shit like that, they ask me that because it's really about girls and shit like that, bro. And even if we wasn't talking about the fact that it might be about girls, still going and talking to girls is probably a way higher fear than you talking to males. You feel me? So go and break the highest fear, you feel me? So it just encapsule all that other shit, you feel me? Real shit. So You need to just start going to speak to people, fam. Males and females. Real shit, bro, on me. And you should really be talking to the females on phone and grade, bro. It's hot. Where you at? You out of high school already? You graduated, right? You in college now or some shit like that? Even if you high school or college, it don't even fucking matter, bro. It don't fucking matter, bro. You got to start speaking to people because you never know what can come out of any fucking situation. Y'all motherfuckers be motherfucking. Y'all be not understanding the motherfucking fragility of life. Life is fucking fragile, my nigga. Like me and somebody was just talking about this the other day. So my first, right? The first girl I ever did anything with like anything sexual with, which this was a long time ago, like motherfucking like second grade type shit. And I already told y'all this story. A lot. Some people in here might already know the story or whatever the case is, but I don't need to tell that story right now. So anyway, so I was just like, she just got married recently, whatever the case. She just got married like, I don't know, like last week or some shit like that, fam. And the dude that she got married to, he's like from, I think from like somewhere in Europe, bro. Like real shit. He's like from Paris or some shit. I don't motherfucking know. Yeah, some shit like that. And what it was is her and her friends, they went on a motherfucking vacation to Mexico. I think they had went to Cancun or something like that. And that's where she met this dude, you feel me? So that just shows you how fragile life is. Like, when if y'all would have went a different day, you feel me? You would have never met, because she's probably finished. She just married the dude, you feel me? And you know, she got some very traditional parents and shit like that, you feel me? Like, she's like a motherfucking so-called Latina, so-called Hispanic, whatever. So she got some real traditional parents or whatever the case is and shit. And it's like they was like, no, you're not moving in with no man until he marries you, until y'all marry, you feel me, type shit. So it wasn't playing. So like she was really like, she ain't been out here like that, none of that shit, you feel me? So it's like, where was I getting? It's just like, fam, if they would have did anything different, bro, it's just like if they would have chose a different day, if they would have chose a different resort, if they would have went to a different place in Mexico instead of Cancun, went to somewhere else, you feel me? Any of that shit, if she would have, oh, I have to work or I have to do this or I got this, it's my nephew's birthday that week or whatever, I can't go. Like that just shows you, because like, oh yeah, that's where I was getting at, because you know, they probably gonna end up having kids, and it's just like these kids wouldn't even exist if she didn't go take that trip at that time, at that place, all that exact shit didn't happen. Then it's just like that shit would have never happened, bro. Like real shit. And it was crazy. I was sitting in my homie garage the other day, and we was just chopping it up and shit. And he was telling me how his parents met, and he was like, one day his homies was like, hey, because they was living in Chicago and shit, but they had ended up moving to LA and shit. But they had moved back here to Illinois now and shit. But it was his dad. His dad had moved from Mexico and shit. They had moved to Chicago and shit. Then they moved to LA. And then one day his homie's like, hey, you trying to go kick it out in LA with us or whatever the case is? And he like, shit, fuck it. You know, so he ended up going with them and shit. So they went to Mexico, and I guess it's this thing that they used to do in Mexico. Like it'd be like big ass places, like you know, like public areas. I don't know if it's like the shopping areas or shopping district or whatever the case is. And he said like all the males will walk down one way and all the females will walk down another way. So it was like kind of separated or whatever the case is or some shit like that. And he said that his dad just ended up walking over to the female section like, fuck this or whatever the case is. And I don't know if he had to use the bathroom, and all the shit on the male side was motherfucking closed or something. I'm not sure or something. So he like went to the female side or some shit like that, and he ended up running into what became his mom, you feel me? And she was still living in Mexico at the time. So they end up meeting, fam. And it's just like, when if he was like, man, I don't feel good, I ain't, y'all can go without me type shit, go to Mexico without me today or some shit, whatever the case is. Or what if he would, hey, I gotta work today, you feel me? Anything, bro. And it's just like, folk, like you're here because of every exact decision he made up until that point, you feel me? Like that you was motherfucking brought here, you feel me? Like real shit. And it's just so crazy. motherfucker don't be realizing how fragile life really is, bro. And then there was another situation I was thinking of too. And it was just like, damn, if that wouldn't ever happen, bro, like real shit, bro. Like, oh, like even like I didn't have this situation happen. Like a motherfucker I didn't even know exists just end up getting moved into my class and shit while I'm in high school. And we end up motherfucking, it becomes something, you feel me, type shit. And it's just like if you weren't moved in my class, that shit would never even happen, type shit, you feel me? Or a motherfucker might come say something to you and then like, oh man, so and so tried to get at blah blah blah, and then your ass motherfucking like who, and then your ass, man, let me, on phone, and then you shoot your shot and work. Like if so and so when ever even came said this to you, that shit would have never even been a thought in your mind. Like for it just like everything for be so fragile. So it's just like you missing out on so much opportunity that life has to offer. Cause now I just like think about this girl, fam, that motherfucking met this dude from Paris or whatever, and motherfucking Mexico or whatever the case it is. It's just like, fam, if she didn't do that, like, imagine a few years down the line, they start having kids and shit. And then these kids start growing up. And these actually, fam, because I'm still cool with her peoples and shit, like her brothers and all them. They're my homies and shit like that. So it's like, fam, I'm gonna be seeing these little kids and it's like they wouldn't even exist if not for that decision. Like real shit, bro. So it's like you missing out on a whole bunch of opportunity, bro, when you don't speak. Have you ever heard of closed mouths don't get fed? You gotta speak up, bro. But you could be known as that person that's laid back. You feel me? That he don't say too much. This and that. You could be known as that. You feel me? You're a man of few words type shit. But make sure you go speak up to motherfuckers. You could still be a man of few words. Just make sure that them few words you say is shit smooth as hell shit on phone them. You gotta start speaking up, bro. There ain't no way around it. And that's one of your biggest fears, right? So you're saying, how can I fix that? That's the only way to fix that. The only way to get comfortable talking to people is to talk to people. The only way to get more comfortable talking to girls is to talk to more girls. Real shit. And if you start doing that shit every day, bro, like real shit, it's gonna become nothing to you. You're gonna have some awkward situations. You're gonna have some people like rejecting you, all that shit. It don't matter, bro. We young right now. And all this shit ain't even gonna matter in 5 years. You ain't gonna be thinking about how a motherfucker rejected you 5 years later. You feel me? From now, you feel me? And none of that shit, that shit happened. You feel me? And it ain't even gotta be a rejection, cause like I'm saying, if you smooth with your shit, you ain't never really. It's like you always taking a neutral stance to shit. So it should never really be a reason that a motherfucker really could come at you like that, you feel me? Or really reject you like that, you feel me? Because you smooth with the shit. You acting like, bitch, you don't really matter to me. I do this shit every day, you feel me? I got new bitches every day. That's the type of energy you coming in, you feel me? Like real shit, bro. So it's just like, folk, you gotta go, fam. Get out there, folk. Meet people, all type of shit, because that's what makes life, bro. Like, fam, it ain't, man. You know how many times, motherfucker, like, hey, come over here with me, this and that, and do this, and I'm like, man, nah, man. And be like, man, come on, man, you being lame, man. Then I go and then I meet somebody I never met before, and then I end up meeting somebody off them that I never met before, and it leads to some other shit, or making a meaningful connection, or this became my homie, this my real life homie or some shit like that. Like all that shit, bro, like off shit like that, bro. And that's how you meet people all the time. That's how you network, fam. Networking is so important, bro. You know how many people that I would never met if I wouldn't have gone and did certain shit. So then when I go out, I might see a nigga and shit. And I'm like, hey, that's so and so from back over there at so and so crib. Like real shit. It's good to know people, because then y'all might stop, chop it up real quick. What you been on, fam? This and that. Oh shit, man, I'm finna head over here, this and that. You trying to come through type shit, you feel me? And then you end up coming through and you meet more motherfuckers. Like you get in with extra motherfuckers. I'm telling you, fam, people, everybody matters. This is a universe. This is some universal shit. So everybody affects everybody, bro. Everybody affects everybody, my nigga. A motherfucker all the way on the other side of the world is affecting you right now, nigga. Like, nigga, the clothes, nigga, the shoes on your feet, nigga, were made by somebody you don't even know far away. Real shit, bro. Like, far, far away. Everybody is affecting everybody, nigga. The reason why your shoe got a little fucking malfunction in it and they fucked up in the stitching right here or some shit like that, because a nigga over there is rubbing his eye for while he was stitching your shit up, type shit, like, for all type of shit, like, for, and now you got a motherfucking defect in your shit, bro. For them grade, bro. Everybody affect everybody around this bitch, bro. On me. You gotta motherfucking realize that shit. Your ass gotta motherfucking get out here and really put yourself out there, cause man, that's when the magic happened, bro. That's when the magic real life happened, and like when your ass really get out here, bro. Like real shit. And I'm not saying like go hit up all the parties and that. No, just go places. Real shit, bro. Go places. You feel me? You never know who you gonna meet. You feel me? Like real stuff, bro. Motherfuckers get jobs, they meet people and then meet people and then go get better jobs. And then like, I'm telling you, you can't just always be one of those hermits, you feel me? Cause I know what that shit's like. Cause I'm kind of that. I'm that way, folks. Real shit. I'm that way. I like being by myself. I don't like being around nobody on phone and grade. For I'm not really a people person, bro. I'm just not on phone and grade, fam. But I know how to motherfucking still maneuver out here, bro. That's why I still have more women than motherfuckers who be out here, bro, like real shit. Cause for the way I maneuver on the ground, trying to tell you what. But right now, I'm not even on that shit. Right now, I'm on real hermit mode, like real shit, bro. I ain't been fucking shit. I ain't been hanging with nobody, no females, no males, none of that shit. Ain't banging with nobody. I've been by myself, really getting myself together, because I got some shit in store for y'all ass. Blood, I'm trying to tell you, fam, on phone and grade, I got some shit in store, fam. I got some shit real life in store. I'm talking about when I jump off with this shit, y'all gonna be like, damn, he jumped off with this shit. I'm trying to tell you, all right. You know what? I ain't even gonna talk about it. I ain't even gonna talk. I'ma just, all right, okay. I ain't even gonna talk about it. What is you telling me? But yeah, man, the only way to get comfortable, man, is to go out and do what you're not comfortable doing. That's the only way you get comfortable doing some shit. Just like if you're trying to get flexible, you try to stretch every day, right? Like type shit, and it's uncomfortable. You doing the splits and shit. You're trying to stretch your legs out and trying to do all this shit that you so stiff and all that shit. But day by day, even though it's uncomfortable, it's eventually gonna be more comfortable. So first you could bend your arm back this far and shit, like whatever the case is. Now you can bend it back even farther than that, and you don't even really feel no pull on your shit, no stretch on your shit. Real shit, bro. Like, yeah, fam. You gotta do what's uncomfortable. Real shit. How you think motherfuckers that be fighting all the time and shit, whatever case, or like being in fights, or professional fighters and boxers and shit like that, because they didn't been through enough of that shit, bro. Like, they fight all the time, bro. They spar all the time. That's how you get used to it. You feel me? And you ain't gonna tell me ain't nobody off the streets, fam. You ain't never been to fight. You ain't never put no gloves on or no shit like that. And you telling me you gonna put some gloves on and you gonna be comfortable, and no, you're not gonna be comfortable, you gonna be nervous, on some real shit, and you spar with a motherfucker, like. But after you start feeling what punches feel like, you feel me, getting used to that shit and all type of shit, like, fam, then it becomes easier for you, fam. That's everything in life, bro. That's every fucking thing. When you first start working out, fam, you can't push as much weight, and you waking up sore as fuck the next day, can barely walk, can barely move, all that shit. But the more you start working out, fam, you don't be even getting sore no more, type shit. Like, shit don't really even be affecting you like that, bro. That you meant to adapt, folks. You a conscious being, fam. That's meant to adapt. That's meant to conquer on phone and grade, fam. I'm trying to tell your ass, bro. You gotta overcome all that shit. And that's not even just for him. That's for a lot of motherfuckers. I get a lot of motherfucking DMs in my Instagram about shit like this, bro. And to get better at anything, you gotta do it, fam. You gonna suck at first, but you gotta do it. You gotta find your groove with shit, bro. On me, bro. You gotta find your groove with shit, bro. On me. Why are niggas emotional these days? Man, I think it's something in the water, bro. On phone now. Why do females care about social media so much? Um, because they get hella likes, man. Don't you see that shit, bro? On phone and grade, you don't see that shit. Them niggas, them bitches for all dick ride each other on phone. Them like, for they got like some secret girl code. Like it's not secret. It's just something that they all automatically just do. Like it's programmed in a girl to do. So it's like, if a bitch part of your family, or she mess with your brother, or mess with your cousin, or she your friend, or she just a girl you say hi girl when you see her every time type shit. It's just like a thing. Like when you scrolling down, you push like on her shit. You feel me? Like real shit. And it's like they all do it for each other. So then they got all these girls, all these, and niggas don't really get down like that. Niggas see your shit, but just, he'll keep scrolling this shit. Like niggas don't really be on that shit, you feel me? But girls, they all got like this system going on, you feel me? And they don't even sit down and talk about it. It's just something they all like naturally like just came to build, you feel me? Like real shit. And then on top of all the girls liking each other shit, they got motherfucking all these thirsty ass niggas liking they shit. I'm feeling great because like I always be, like I tried to tell y'all in my last video, I think it was. No, my last video is about the assume name, but before that, from like nigga 14 to like motherfucking 25 or whatever, fam. 26, fam. From like 14 through 16 to like 25, 26, bro. A girl's at her peak, bro. She's at her climax, bro. Like real shit, bro. She's going to have higher market value than you. The average girl is gonna have higher sexual market value than you, fam. Shit, even some of these fat bitches, folk, have higher sexual market value. I'm trying to. This is for real shit, bro. Because there's a lot of niggas who can't get no ass, and there's fat bitches that still got niggas up in her inbox, bro. Real shit. It's still motherfuckers in her inbox shooting they shot, bro. Real shit, bro. This is real life, bro. I'm trying to tell you, bro. I'm trying to fucking tell you, bro. This is real fucking life, bro. On me, bro. It's still niggas lined up that's willing to motherfucking, and it's still dudes, it's still males out here that's willing to fucking, fuck or be with her or be in a relationship with her. All that shit. It's people willing to be in a relationship with her. So now her ego even boosted up here even more. Now her status boosted up here even more, bro. Real shit. And then the fact that niggas have got so fucking thirsty, bro, just it's made it all worse. It's fucked up the odds right now, bro. On phone now. It's fucked up it's fucked the odds all the way up, bro. It's fucked the odds all the way up. Y'all fucking the odds up. All you thirsty ass niggas, y'all fucking the fucking odds up, bro. Folk, don't you know that we the motherfucking prize, bro? We's the real motherfucking prize, the real reward, the real trophy, bro. I'm trying to tell you that shit, bro. On phone down grade, we is, bro. On me. Y'all niggas don't understand that shit. Y'all niggas be real life chasing these bitches, gassing these bitches out, and social media had just made it way worse. Y'all liking everything because you finna hit that like button. She finna give you a chance one day. One day you gonna get some ass. Like get your dumb ass on somewhere, folks. You can't go find my like on no bitch picture, none of that shit. You can't go find my like on none of that shit. Cause guess what, folks? The nigga the motherfucker that's hitting, fam, the dude that's hitting her, the dude that's motherfucking clapping them cheeks at night, folks. He ain't never like he don't never be liking her shit on phone them because he don't want the other girl cheeks that he be clapping. He don't want her to know that, you know, that is something going on around that area. You feel me? On phone now. So he just not finna like either one of they shit. Fuck is you talking about? Y'all thirsty ass niggas real life be on here motherfucking liking all of her shit, thinking you gonna get her attention like that. Like, bro, nah, now she gonna look at you as under her, bro. On me, she gonna see you as under her, beneath her, on phone and grade, bro. Yo ass motherfucker. He said, finally speaking from experience. I'm speaking from experience, yeah, cause I be the one hitting on phone. on that, nah, I don't be on that, bro. Real shit. Like I said, I ain't fucking with no bitches right now. I'm doing my own thing, for I'm by myself. I'm focusing on myself. For I gotta get up off this bitch though. I gotta real life get up off this bitch though, cause I've been on this bitch way too. I was only real life supposed to be on this bitch for like 20 minutes max, and y'all niggas didn't trick me. Y'all didn't trick me again, bro. Y'all niggas didn't trick me again, bro. I ain't going. Hold on. I got one more track though. I'm gonna do one more track. I'm gonna do one more track, blood. What should I do? Alright.
Niggas know that they wanna find out. Pussy nigga, I'ma catch you with a hideout. Pussy nigga, I'ma catch you with a hideout. Pussy nigga, I'ma catch you with a hideout. Niggas know that they wanna find out. Pussy nigga, I'ma catch you with a hideout. Pussy nigga, I'ma catch you with a hideout. Pussy nigga, I'ma catch you with a hideout. And the B with a B, let it ride out. Get the green, the cheese, and ride out. TDB sharp life for the ride out. TL for the free, and ride out. Let's with that breed, don't die out. Let's with that breed, won't die out. The C go hard, no ride out. TDB and the sharks gon' ride out. And then free banks, nice sipping on everything that we drink. We stay getting money, that cheesecake. The woman feel kick, keep my seed safe. We straight, my cash, get cheese bait. In her trying to fuck with her, he's gay. Number 2, nigga, no leeway. Been close to his death in the feed day. Fuck what she say. Was a lot of time with a stupid bitch. Now I'm back in the streets, I'm shooting shit. Me roll when I'm losing bitches. I'm cold when I be cooling bitch, but I'm fired up. Bitch, they trying to come, but I'm tired up. Going for the shit, going for the bitch. Still on the real wood for the good. Got a chrome for a snitch. I'm a bad boy, but I come with the job though. Quit tripping, I'm hot ho. Get dripping, I'm in the world. Look at me now ho. Keep it right on the squad full of gangsters. All with the bars, full of dogs go naked. Fuck with the shark in the squad, gon' take it. You really wanna get in the squad, gon' spank it crazy. No, they wanna find out. Pussy nigga, I'ma catch you with a hideout. Pussy nigga,